Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to remove your laptop login password. Windows 10, how to remove login password. So now click on start button and click setting. So open setting and I click accounts and click sign in option and Windows password, just change, then correct password and new password. I don't need password, just next and finish. So remove your password and Windows pin, then remove and remove. So totally Windows hello pin and sign in password remove. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel and like, comment, share this video. So goodbye.